Hello everyone, good day. In this video I will show you how can you add uh, in your login page, WordPress login page, login attempts limit. Okay, so why should you use this? You use this as a defense mechanism. Let's say maybe there is a regular brute force attack kind of thing in your site. Attacker may use various password combination by using tools in your login page um, randomly or say regularly. Okay, so what can you do is you can limit your login attempts in your login screen. Okay, so what we need to do, you provide a limit, let's say 3 attempts, 4 attempts, 5 attempts. After using 4 attempts or 5 attempts, you may assign a lockout. Let's say you anyone can't from that IP can't use that this login screen, let's say 10 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, etc. Okay, so you can see here is I have provided an incorrect username and password, so it's saying 1 attempt remaining. If I provide again a wrong password and username, see too many failed login attempts, please try again in 1 minute. I have provided a logout time of 1 minute. Okay, so let's say how can we do that. Okay, first of all I will go to my WordPress site dashboard area. By the way, I am using InstaWP for all my demonstration. It's a very good and unique service. You can try this. Okay, so I have to go to the login plugins area. I will click on add new. I will search for limit login attempts. This is our plugin. It says limit login attempts reloaded. Okay, let's if you check the description, it says average it's a very good plugin and with very good support. Average rating is 5 stars. Okay, so I hope you will like this plugin. Okay, so what this do, it will ultimate protection from brute force attacks, okay, or DDoS. Okay, so let's say what will first of all I have to install it. Plugin is installed. I will activate the plugin. So our plugin is installed here. Currently I'm not no. If you want email notification of any attacks, you may provide your email address. Okay, I'm continuing. Currently I will stay with free version. So what I have to do, I have to go to the settings area. Okay, in settings area, here is the our app settings. Okay, so allowed retries, let's say 3 allowed retries. I will provide a 20-minute lockout. Full lockouts increase lockout time to 24 hours. 24 hours until retries are reset. Okay, so it's self-explanatory. Anyone can try 3 times with wrong username password. After that he or she will get at 20 minutes lockouts. You can update it as you wish. Okay, after full lockouts, if full lockouts increase lockout time to 24 hours for that IP. Okay, and 24 hours until retries are reset. Okay, and trusted IP origins, specify the origins you trust in order to priority separated by commas. We strongly recommend that you do not use anything other than remote ADDR, since the other origins can be easily faked. Okay, that's I think that's all the customization I need here. I will if you want a notification, provide your email address after 3 lockouts. Okay, you can provide GDPR compliances here. You can provide the GDPR message, you can show warning badge or not. you can also hide dashboard widget or not. Okay, so I think that's enough for the settings. I will save the settings. You can check out the other things. You can see the logs here, total logouts, total block list, safe list. You can debug if anything went wrong. Okay, so it has already also premium version. You can check this out too if you need. Okay, I think every version is good enough for us. So all the configuration is done. Now if I go to the login screen, I'll go to the incognito mode here. Go to the admin area. Now try with wrong username and password. 2 attempts remaining. I'll provide again. 1 attempts remaining. Login. So too many failed login attempts. Please try again in 20 minutes. Okay. See how this is how you can protect your site from brute force attack. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Okay, bye.